Hello, I'm Mary King. I'm the Head of Vocal Studies here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. I'm a former singer, a mezzo-soprano, and for many years now I've been very much involved in educating and nurturing young vocal talent. I have run programmes at English National Opera, South Bank Centre and Glyndebourne Festival Opera. The reason to come to the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama to study singing is because we are a large and friendly and encouraging department. We have about 100 students, whether that's in undergraduate or postgraduate studies, and we are trying to make a real collaboration between all those year groups. So it's a very supportive environment.
There is definitely a great sense of being valued here at college. You will get asked to audition for opera, choir, chamber choir, and it's really nice to feel a sense of community within these ensembles and feel valued as you're really contributing something to these larger scale performances.
The facilities here at RWCMD are absolutely first rate. We have a wonderful concert hall, the Dora Stautska, and we have numerous other smaller spaces where people can try out their performance skills. We also have an opera school, and this allows students to take part in fully staged operatic performances. Preparing you for work in the profession is our true focus here, and you will meet many teachers and musicians who will be able to guide you so that you can develop your potential and become the musician you want to be. You need to develop an understanding of your own voice and the vocal skills required for music that crosses the centuries. Not only will you develop your voice, but you will look at drama and movement, teaching and outreach skills, and stagecraft and languages. You will be able to develop your skills and understand which is the area that best suits you in the profession. We are fortunate enough to have a lot of industry connections within the department. We have an opera gala with the Welsh National Opera Orchestra. We have a Baroque concert in the spring term, and we also have a side-by-side project with Welsh National Opera's chorus, which allows students to really try out their skills in a professional context. You will have many opportunities to perform here. There are regular performance classes and opportunities to demonstrate your skills with your own cohort and with other vocal cohorts. We have lots of good connections, not only with WNO, but with the BBC National Orchestra and Chorus of Wales, and with many other organisations that offer out opportunities for our young singers to explore their performance skills. These all assist in developing your confidence as a performer and building a professional portfolio.
There are so many performance opportunities here at college. These come ranging from smaller in-class performance platforms that happen weekly to larger scale choir, chamber choir and opera performances. I've been fortunate enough to be part of 3 operas so far, one of my favourites of which was part of an opera double bill that was directed by the esteemed Caroline Clegg and conducted by Maestro Carlo Rizzi.
Our teaching philosophy here is basically collaborative, but you will typically have a designated one-to-one vocal teacher during your time here. Additionally, you will meet several of the wonderful coaches that we have on staff. Our vocal students also have the possibility of collaborating with the many visiting stellar artists who come to deliver programmes at the college. Additionally, these visiting artists also deliver masterclasses and workshops. Training as a singer develops many transferable skills, and these can take you along several different paths as you choose the way that is right for you. For example, some students fall in love with choral singing, and they hone their skills, which then take them on to become professional choristers all over the UK and indeed the world. For others, an opera path might be beckoning, and that might require more studying here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, or joining a young artist programme at one of the national companies or abroad. Sometimes students diversify into other arts roles, working in agencies, with management, or in education and outreach. Cardiff is a great place to study. It attracts people from all over the world. Everything's in walking distance, and it's one of the most affordable places in the UK to live and study.
Cardiff is an absolutely amazing place to study as a student. Everyone here in Wales is so friendly, helping it to feel just like a home away from home.
If you love to sing and you are curious about music in all its forms, then this is the place for you. We look forward to welcoming you to the vocal department here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama.